Right guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to look through teleportation. It's something a couple of people have asked me for. It's quite simple to do, so I figured I'd start with this, following on from what we did in the last few lessons, because it uses similar functionality in terms of what it needs to do. So to start with, I am just going to throw something in as just an asset to show the teleportation taking place. So as usual, probably go with a square, because why not? So if we go for 5 by 5, make it quite small. Maybe go with purple, because we've not used that yet. I'll bring the ordering layer up so we're not going to lose it anywhere. Yeah. Cool. So I was just checking to see the fact that this was higher up than it should have been. So the way that this works, we're going to call this teleport in, because there'll be a teleport in and a teleport out, and we need to make sure that these are two separate things, because if we have a teleport in teleporting to another teleport in, you're going to have a constant flickering backwards and forth. So we need somewhere to go in, somewhere to come out. So I'm just going to make that teleport out as well. So in this one, I'll probably throw it over here. Let's make it orange. Let's go for an opposite. So call this teleport out. The teleport in needs to have a box collider 2D set to a trigger. We're going to set up a tag which is similar to something we've done before. I'm just going to call this teleport. Make sure that the in has the teleport. And in terms of setting stuff up in Unity, that's pretty much it. We're going to create a new script. I'm just going to call this teleport location. This is possibly going to be the easiest script we've ever written, because it is literally, it's like a variable handler. So just at the top, public transform telelocation. That's it. That's all that script needs to have. So in we could set up a completely new script for this, but I'm actually not going to. I'm just going to throw it into probably into player movement actually. I don't know why I'm getting lots of errors in here, but there shouldn't be any. I'm just going to steal this on trigger enter function from one of the other scripts. I'm going to throw that in there. I'm going to remove this out because I don't need that bit, and I'm going to change this tag. So this is something we've done quite a lot with the comparing tags on triggers, and all we're essentially doing is using an on trigger enter 2D function, checking the teleport tag, and then if that's what we've hit, we are literally just going to say transform dot position, equals, and this is where things get a little interesting. We go for other dot get component, which we've used before. We've used it higher up here. We're just going to reference this script here. So I'm going to say teleport location, open bracket, close bracket, full stop, and we need to find this, so the telelocation. So I'm going to copy that, and I believe if we end that line, this should work. I may be wrong here actually, so we'll see. Let's just check that. Oh, I missed something. That's not good. Oh yeah, my bad. Curly bracket, because I deleted one from higher up, but oh, that was stupid of me. Yeah, sorry. So what that basically is telelocation is a transform, and I just forgot to put that we wanted the position, because transform breaks down to position, rotation, scale, We just want the position of where we need to go. We don't care about the rotation of it, and we don't care about the scale of it. If anything, we want to avoid scale altogether, because what you tend to see is a lot of people don't do that, and then they run into problems where they teleport to something and then their character's bigger, and that's not what you want at all. So in here, we just want to add the teleport location. We're going to add the teleport out as the tele location. Make sure that teleport there is right. And let's see if this works. There we go. Nice simple script. We're just going into that one. We're coming out of that one. So if you wanted to be able to then teleport back again, what I'd probably suggest doing is I would just duplicate them and I would swap them around. This is a simple way of doing it. There are other ways of doing it, but this is, as you've seen, it's maybe like 2 or 3 lines of code. So it works really well, does what it needs to do, and there we go, we've got some teleportation set up. Obviously, if my map was much bigger, I could set up almost like a Pokemon style, go into a door, and then it teleports me into a dark bit of the map that just shows a room. That wouldn't be difficult to do. And it's things like that you can set up with the teleport location. You just kind of got to think outside the box a little bit. So yeah, it's a nice quick video. I only messed one thing up, so that's a bonus. And yeah, in the next video I am going to look into scene management. Essentially these next few videos are going to be scene management for loading different levels and stuff. We're going to look at menu systems and also UI systems, because we still need to add something to show this player live system and this player collection system. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to add them ones in as well. But yeah, I'll catch you in them videos. Cheers.